Hey guys, so today I want to do a quick little video here. I did take a few pictures with the Galaxy S4 zoom, 16 megapixel camera versus the iPhone 5's 8 megapixel camera. Because I did this with the Galaxy S4 zoom versus the Galaxy S4. People thought that was a little bit fun, so why not try that here with the iPhone 5 and the S4 zoom and see if we can see any difference. So let's see here if we can pop them up, pop it up, pop. Let's see here. So I did take a few pictures. I mean, you can do this in a lot of different ways. Yeah. Okay, so if we start off with this first little picture here, I did take it around maybe 1 meter away. Let's see here. 1 meter away, I have 3 of my phones over here. The first thing you will see here is that it's a lot brighter here on the S4 zoom. Could be because it's also in general because of the AMOLED display. One thing also that you will notice is that overall a little bit more brighter in terms of brightness here on the S4 zoom, definitely. Both have had a flash on. You can see here that just if you take a look here at the S4 mini, I mean, it's not even close to looking as clear here in terms of colors. This one looks very much darkened out. I can't zoom in much more here on the iPhone. You can see I'm trying, but it's jumping me back. That's because there's no more like pixels to show, because it's only an 8 megapixel camera, while you get the 16 megapixel camera here on the S4 zoom. Did I say S4 zoom in this video? Because that's what I'm comparing. If I said S4 mini, then that's wrong. This is the S4 zoom. So you can see here that I can just continue to zoom in. I can't zoom in more. It's sad. I like that thing with a lot of pixels that I can just continue to zoom in. If you take a look here, use the details. Here you can see that I can't even zoom in to see all the details. It's annoying. So you can see clearly here that that thing is used by that's a nice thing. It's a very nice thing actually. Let's take a look at another picture here that I did take, which was let's see, no, not that one. This one was more of a close-up on both devices. I think I did use the zoom in feature on both devices to test it out here a little bit on the iPhone 5. And I mean, one more time here, you can see that so much more clear. Use the text is, the logo is, everything's just way more clear here than what it is here on the iPhone 5. I mean, just take a look here at this button. It looks like nasty. Here it looks used as it should. You can even see the pattern here on my Galaxy S4. So here you can really see it stand out. You just look at these edges here. I mean, you can see so much more details. Yeah. It's intense. It's intense. Let's go back and let's take a look at another picture here. Let's see, did I take this picture here also? No, I did not take that one. Okay, this one was a little bit further away, maybe 2.5 meter. So the first thing here is that, I mean, you can't really zoom in that much on the iPhone. Okay, I can now. But look at it. Look at those not details. I mean, in the zooming feature, it really is a joke. I mean, both the iPhone, a lot of no phone out there almost, only these camera phones, they can compete with this, because when you start to zoom in, it looks horrible here on the iPhone 5. It looks horrible. Over here, wow! You still have all the details, you still have everything, it's just like BAM! It's like still awesome, still amazing pictures that you still do get. And this is just the real deal. This is cameras in phones. They suck compared to a real like camera or something that's better. Yeah. So it's a little bit like a joke. It feels like you troll, but you don't really troll. Let's see, what's this? Okay, let's continue. Let's move on to the next picture. Yeah. So let's just zoom out. Okay, this is also like a joke on the iPhone. I did use the flash on this one as well. Let's see here. There we go. Look at it! I did use flash on both, but for some reason the flash on the iPhone just made the whole AMOLED screen here on my S4 Mini go dark. What the fuck is that? Like, what? What did you do? I did try to take another one as well. I mean, look at this. I did take two. But it still just blacked out everything. Like darkness. It's like weird. You can see here also that I did use a flash. And here also I did use a flash. But the images turn out perfect here, or better. Better. That's probably the correct word to use here. Here it's just dark. It's like, wow, why did you do that? That's like random. That's interesting. I did take another picture here of a cookie. Let's see here. Okay, I'm always doing the wrong way here. Okay, let's take a look at the cookie. What the fuck? What's up with your iPhone? There we go. There we go, the cookie. There we do have the cookie. I did use flash one more time, and you can still see the difference here in terms of white balance. Like the flash on this one with this one, it seems to be kind of like dope. I mean, that one is a big flash, and you really see the difference here. I mean, look at how dark it is here in the corners on the cookie picture here on the iPhone compared to here. I mean, it's white. I mean, wow, that's a difference. And also the cookie looks much better. Oh yeah, I would rather eat this cookie. Definitely. I mean, it looks so much better. I love the cookie. It's a good cookie. Or I mean, I'm not sure. I haven't tried it out. I mean, look at those details of the cookie. You just want to eat it. Yeah, you do want to eat it. So, quickly look here, of course, overall. I mean, this one is the bomb. I mean, it's a good camera. It's amazing. Yeah, peace out.